channel. In life, not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts. Now, in business, for you to be on top of the game, you must defeat the best. You must beat the best to be the best. You must beat those that are already established in the market for you to be on top of the game. Here are 7 great rules that will place you on top of your game in your business, whatever business that you are into. These 7 great rules will help you to be established. Stick to them and it will help you. I want you to please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment. Which of these rules really matters, really counts in business? Having said that, let's go straight to the 7 rules. Rule number 1, your product or service must solve a problem, must satisfy an immediate need. If you are offering services that are not satisfying, that are not solving problem, that are not satisfying, there is probability that the business will not grow. But if your business, if your service, if your product is satisfactory, if your product is solving problems, is satisfying a basic need, brother, sister, you are going to the top. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, your business will rise, because in life, people are looking for solutions for their problems. Can your business, can your product render that solution? That is rule number 1. So before you step into any business, you need to look at it. Will this business, will this product render a solution, solve a problem, satisfy a need? Rule number 2 is offer good quality and a fair price. Now, your product must be good. It must be up to standard and affordable. It must not be too expensive. You shouldn't just target the rich alone. Your product should be able to, the poor also, or the middle class should be able to afford it. So your product must be good, of a good quality and fair price. The price should not scare customers away. Your price should not chase your customers away. So you must learn to give a better service, a better product, a quality product, quality service at affordable price. That way, there will be no problem. It will not be difficult for customers to step in and buy, step in and patronize, step in or invite you for any business deal. When the price is okay, the customers will step in. Rule number 3, selling is the core skill for a successful business. In other words, you must learn to maximize your marketing. Your market must be the best. You must have this network that will pull customers. You must learn to close in your negotiation. It's not all about attracting customers. Can you close a deal? Can you really make a deal perfect and get this thing done? So you need to prepare the best marketing network for your business. That way, every day, every time you open, every time you are flourishing, you are there to service customers. Customers will be trooping to your business because you have the right network, you have the right skills, to attract customers and also close and also sell. You know how to approach customers. You know how to negotiate. You know how to pave the way. You know how to sell your product. You know how to sell yourself. You know how to present. You know how to receive customers. These are things that you need to master in terms of marketing, because in business, marketing is king. Rule number 4, you must master the competitive environment to stay ahead of rivals. Business is full of competition. Now you must master the skills. How do you stay on top? How will you defeat or silent competitors? One of the easiest way is to be innovative. You must be dynamic. You must add. You must improve every time. You must be able to confuse your competitors, your rivals. They should not be able to predict what you are bringing out, the next step that you are to take. They should not be able to predict the next year of your business. No, you must be innovative. You must be creative. You must be dynamic. There must be charisma. So you must learn to improve also on a daily basis with new styles. Everything in your business, you must learn to improve in order to defeat and silence your competitors. I've created a video on how to defeat, how to silence your competitors in market. That is why you need to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Also check our videos. You will see how to overcome competition in the market. Rule number 5 is build a brand and not destroy it. When you start a business or service, you must be able to build a brand. You must be able to build a standard. You must have a standard. Carefully build your brand and not destroy it. That is why any mistake in the market, push it off. In the production line, push it away, because you don't need to manage it. Managing product always destroy brand. So you must learn to build the right brand, quality brand, and not destroy it. That way, you'll be able to attract more customers. You'll be able to defeat your competitors and stay ahead of the game. So carefully build a brand. This is a basic rule. Number 6 is very simple. Learn to answer calls from unknown numbers. You see, as a business owner, as a receptionist, whoever you are, if you are in charge of taking calls for the business, for the company, you must learn to answer calls from left and right, wherever it comes from, irrespective of the number. And you must learn the right approach. You must treat customers well while you are taking those calls. Because most times, the strange numbers, the strange calls that step in can change your business forever. Can change your business, can transform your business for good forever. So ignoring strange calls that may be coming from other countries, from other states, you ignore them because you don't know them. They have not sent a notification, they have not sent a letter or invitation, you don't have any connection, so you don't want to pick the call. How will you identify new opportunities? So you must learn to answer calls from strange numbers that you don't know. Answer them, listen to them, address them, and you find out that one day you receive a great call from outside, and then business boom. Number 7, which is the last business rule that I'm going to share with you in this video, is learn how to operate outside the box. Don't just stick to the rules. It must be done like this. It must be done in this way. You must not do the same thing every time and expect different result. So for you to have different result always, you must learn to step out of the box. You must play the game, sometimes breaking the rules. You must not stick to the rules always. There are times that you step out of the box and you find great opportunities. You discover great things in the business, great ideas, innovative ideas coming in. But if you stick to the rules alone, don't do this, don't do that. Sometimes you free your workers. You allow them contribute. You must not be too strict. You must not be too controlling. You must operate outside the box sometimes. That way your competitors also may not be able to predict your direction, and you will always be on top. Thank you for watching. Please comment which of these ideas, which of these rules is the best for you in your business.